Certainly the challenges that we see are the folks that fall through the cracks or have such a level of complexity that it really is hard to serve them, particularly as we're an emergency shelter, so we often don't have all the facts behind what's going on for someone. So that would be somebody who is dually diagnosed, so they're living with a developmental delay as well as a mental illness or mental health challenges, and as well folks who are living with concurrent disorders, so that would be somebody who's using substances as well as has a mental health concern. There's just a level of complexity there that requires a lot of sort of services and supports. I really appreciate the analogy of homelessness being sort of at the far end of the spectrum of social isolation. So not only are we trying to support people who have these incredibly complex needs, they also don't even have a roof over their heads. They don't have a couch to be on, which means that they really are isolated in terms of service provision or any other informal supports.